Festivals of India. वेलकम टू जैम्स एजुकेशन। जैम्स एजुकेशन में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम सीखेंगे फेस्टिवल्स ऑफ इंडिया। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मी। If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Lohri. Lohri is celebrated in the month of January. This is the famous festival of Punjab. Lohri is mostly celebrated around a bonfire. This is the religious festival of India. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is celebrated on 14th January. It is also known as Uttarayana. People fly kites to celebrate the festival. It is the religious festival of India. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in the month of January. It is also called Thai Pongal. It is celebrated for 4 days in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. It is the religious festival of India. Jallikattu is normally celebrated during Pongal. Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. We celebrate Republic Day of India on 26th of January. On 26th January, the President of India hoists the national flag in New Delhi. Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is celebrated in the month of February. People worship goddess Saraswati Puja on Vasant Panchami. Kite flying has become a tradition and is enjoyed with great joy. It is the religious festival of India. Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated in the month of March. Mahashivratri is the day when Lord Shiva married goddess Parvati. Mahashivratri is one of the most important festivals of Hindus. In temples, people offer water and milk over the Shivling as prayer. Holi. Holi is celebrated every year in the month of Fagun or March all over India. Holi is the festival of colors celebrated every year. Holika Dahan is conducted one day before in night. Holi is the most important festival of Hindus. Baisakhi. Baisakhi mostly falls on 13th or 14th April every year. It is the celebration of the start of harvest season. It is the famous festival of Punjab. It is the religious festival of Sikh and Hindu. Ram Navami. Ram Navami is celebrated on the ninth and the last day of Chaitra Navratri every year. It is celebrated to observe the birthday of Lord Rama. It is the religious festival of Hindu religion. Eid ul Fitr. Eid is an important festival of Muslim in the month of Ramadan. It is the religious festival of Muslim community. On this day, all the people go to the nearby mosques to offer namaz prayer. Buddha Purnima. Buddha Purnima is a major religious festival of the Buddhists celebrated worldwide. It is celebrated in the month of May. Buddha Purnima is observed to mark the birth and death anniversary of Lord Buddha. Eid al-Adha. Muslims celebrate this Eid to remember Ibrahim's loyalty to Allah. On this day, Muslim people goes to the local mosque to offer prayer, namaz. After Eid prayer, people in Muslim community sacrifice a goat or sheep. This is the religious festival of India. Independence Day. Independence Day is a national festival of India. The Prime Minister of India unfurls the flag from ramparts of Red Fort followed by the national anthem. In states, chief ministers unfurls the flag followed by parades and cultural processions. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the last day of Shravan in the month of August. Sister ties Rakhi on brother's fist and applies roli chawal on his forehead. This is the religious festival of India. Krishna Janmashtami. Janmashtami is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Many people observe complete fast while some only rely on fruits on Krishna Janmashtami. This is the religious festival of India. Dussehra. Dussehra is the most popular Hindu festival which is celebrated for 10 days. The effigies of demons such as Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt on this day. This is religious festival of India. Dhanteras. Dhanteras is the first day out of 5 days of the long celebration of the Diwali festival. On Dhanteras, it is auspicious to buy silver, gold, steel and copper utensils, etc. This is the religious festival of India. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. People worship goddess Lakshmi on this day, the goddess of wealth and prosperity in our life. This is the religious festival of India. Bhai Dooj. It is celebrated in the month of October-November after 2 days of Diwali. On Bhai Dooj, sisters apply tika or tilak on the forehead or their brothers and perform aarti. This is the religious festival of India. Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja falls on the 6th day of Kartik month of the Hindu calendar. On this day, people keep complete fast or 1.5 day without having water. This is the religious festival of India. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti is a major festival celebrated by the Sikhs in India and abroad. It is celebrated to mark the birthday of the first Guru of the Sikhs, Sri Guru Nanak Dev. This is the religious festival of India. Christmas. Christmas is a religious and cultural festival celebrated worldwide by the Christians. It is a celebration of the commemoration of the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas comes on the 25th of December every year. List of festivals in India month-wise. January, Lohri, Makar Sankranti, Pongal, Republic Day. February, Vasant Panchami, Guru Ravidas Jayanti. March, Mahashivratri, Holika Dahan, Holi. April, Good Friday, Baisakhi, Ram Navami, Ambedkar Jayanti. May, Eid ul Fitr, Buddha Purnima. July, Eid al-Adha, Guru Purnima. August, Independence Day. Onam, Raksha Bandhan, Krishna Janmashtami. September, Ganesh Chaturthi. October, Gandhi Jayanti, Durga Ashtami, Mahanavami, Dussehra, Mil-un-Nabi, Valmiki Jayanti, Karwa Chauth. November, Dhanteras, Diwali, Govardhan Puja, Bhai Dooj, Chhat Puja, Guru Nanak Jayanti. December, Christmas. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share our videos. Thank you so much.